So we're in kindergarten here, and kindergarten, they do so many incredible things. I just love it. Here we have these children that we put up here for each day of school. And they're all a little bit different, and we go all the way through. So we had to stop school in March after the 114th day of school. And but they do calendar kinds of things all the time. And so since the 114th day of school, we have a digi-block set here. And these are these little blocks that are set in a container, and you put them in each one by one, and after you get 10 of them, you put a top on it. So it's place value with tens. So we have 4 single units here because the 114th. We've got a packet of 10 here in the tens column. And then we have 100. We have 10 packets of 10 here for 100 in this big one. And it's so cool because it's so concrete. And they understand then that you get 4 of these, we get up to 10, then that makes one of these, and then you get 10 of these, you fill this one up, then it fills that one up, and we actually have one that goes up into the thousands. So we make, with digi-blocks, we make the day of school that we've been. So ordinarily it would be going all over the place longer. And then with the date, so let's say it's the 17th of the month, we would make 17 with money. So that they learn how to use nickels and dimes and pennies and all the different ways that you can make 17 with money. So that gets them really thinking. And then you know how sometimes children get things confused about yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Like yesterday we went to Disney World. Well, that was over spring break. Or tomorrow we're going to Disney World. Well, that's going to be in the summer vacation. So what we do is, as we have the days down here, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we blow up a balloon with today's air in it. And they know that that's carbon dioxide gas. By the way, we do lots of science experiments here. And they learn from our dry ice experiments that we exhale carbon dioxide so that this balloon is filled with carbon dioxide. So that's got today's air in it. And tomorrow we're going to blow up this balloon. So there's an unblown up balloon. But yesterday is gone. And so we have poked that balloon with a needle. And so yesterday's gone. Today is here with today's carbon dioxide gas. And tomorrow we'll prick this one because that'll be gone. Yes, that'll be a yesterday, and then we'll blow that one up because that'll be a today. So it's just a great, again, concrete way for them to learn this wonderful concept. So we say the Pledge of Allegiance every morning. We have all these maps up here. We have a map of the United States and a map of the world. The children in kindergarten learn all about geography. We have this book, a modern day version of The Tortoise and the Hare, and they race all around the world. So we have anybody in your family or friend circle that travels, they send a postcard to the Acorn school kindergartners, and they learn geography based on that. They find where it is on the map, and we've gotten postcards from Mongolia. I mean, all over, everywhere, and they know the continents, they know northern and southern hemisphere, they know oceans. It's just amazing how much they learn in this fun way. They do the weather every day, and we chart it and graph it. And we do lots of charting, lots of graphing. We do a lot of estimation. We love science, all kinds of different things here. So let's see. I'm going to go over here. We have a message of the day every day. So a different child will have a quote, and we'll put, today is June 10th, 2020. Jack said, I am going camping. So the teachers will, at after we're about halfway through the year, the teachers will make mistakes. We call them oopsies on purpose, so that the children, and then when they say that, then they'll say, does anybody have any comments on this? And they'll raise their hand and wave it and say, no, J needs to be capital. It's a month, and they know all the rules. Jack, another J needs to be capital because you capitalize the name of and said is misspelled. We have we call them popcorn words, all these walls that they're going to see over and over again, these words. And so they learn all these different words because they see them over and over. And here is said right here. So they know that said is S-A-I-D, and they will come and they'll raise their hand and want to correct it. So anyway, I love the message of the day. Sometimes it's a longer message, but the children just love trying to see if they can find if the teacher messed up somewhere in there. So it's just, in punctuation, these children, they know quotations, commas, exclamation points. These kids know more than most third graders about all that stuff.